Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suspicious Challenger here. Today I'm going to make a simple Edison light. I can do it very easily. First, cut the nichrome wire and fold it in half. Use a toothpick to make the nichrome wire like a coil spring. To supply the power, I will use the 6-volt battery. Let's connect the nichrome wire to the battery. Oh, it's shining red. I will turn off the lights in the room. The color is very beautiful. This time I want to make the light brighter. So now I will cut the nichrome wire shorter. Make a coil. And now connect the battery. Oh, it's too strong. As you can see, the nichrome wire burned off. Thanks for watching this video. See you!